Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be reacting to Roomba Combo 10 Max. So, a few days ago, this Roomba actually leaked on Reddit. Well, accidentally leaked on iRobot's Serbia page, and we got a photo early from the website. And I did a video on it, and yeah, today Verge released an article and it has the video. I checked iRobot's channel, but they don't seem to have a video. Let's see. Yep, not yet. So we are gonna check from the Verge page and see how it is. Hold on, we gotta make this full screen. All right, let's see. They dished the J naming, which is interesting, and it also has self-washing. All right, let's see. The base is redesigned combo 10 mag. What the Oh my god! What the That's how it washes the mop? They changed the this thing, and it also seems to be a bit more transparent. But what is this? Okay, that's an interesting way of washing the bin, I guess. 2x deeper scrubbing. iRobot OS. This is okay. This is really like a J9. Again, like the J9. Like the J9 combo again. I mean, yeah, this is another Roomba combo, but 60 days of working. Oh yeah. All right. So the thing is, they added mop washing, mop refilling, mop washing. That's really important, and also it empties the dust. Wow, iRobot, you're 3 years late. No, even 4 years late. That's an interesting way. I'm sure, like. What the hell? That. Okay, that is an interesting way of washing the mop. I didn't expect that. Alright, let me show you the patterns. So. It's. Look, so in this pattern, sorry, I can't speak. I felt like, look, it shows that this brush thing is moving up and down, but in that video, it seems like it's actually fixed in place, which is interesting. What's next? It's also $1,400. I think he also did. He also put that. And it has, so this is what the lineup is now. It has i5 combo. No, the thing is, there's Roomba Essential, Roomba Combo Essential, Roomba Combo i5 Plus, Roomba Combo J5 Plus, Roomba Combo J7 Plus, Roomba Combo J9 Plus, and Roomba Combo 10 Max. They ditched the J name. Okay, and $1,300. For $1,300, it doesn't seem like a bad deal in my opinion. Roborock S8 Max 3, I think, is $1,800 or $2,000. I don't remember. And it also has Matter support, which is great. Matter support is great. But yeah, this is. So the thing is, there's a new CEO of iRobot, Gary Cohen. I think maybe he said like, yeah, let's change some stuff up a little bit, and maybe that's why this mop holder has a wavy pattern. Honestly, I like this, but I think that there's probably a way better way of implementing that mop washing. Anyways, that's it. See ya. Bye.